In the animal kingdom, unity is a powerful force. Take elephants, for example. They form tight-knit family groups, supporting each other through thick and thin. When one is in danger, the entire herd rallies to protect it. Then there are wolves, who hunt in packs, showcasing teamwork that maximizes their chances of survival. Even in the ocean, schools of fish swim together, creating mesmerizing patterns that confuse predators. This instinct for unity not only enhances survival but also fosters social bonds. It's a reminder that collaboration is key, not just